Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? We're back in the garage. We are still working on Matt's Jeep. We're now working on some misalignment bushings for the Synergy tie rod. So I already got the tire off and we'll just kind of start going. Alright, for this misalignment spacer that we're putting in, looks like we're just needing a couple hammers, a tie rod separator, pliers, torque wrench, and an 1.25 inch socket with ratchet. And as I keep forgetting to say, like, subscribe, and follow. There we go. Still good?
Yep. Yeah, I'll have to replace it. Castle nut. It's my 1/16, or whatever millimeter equivalent. Alright, don't do this. They recommend a separator. Clip right here to take off my boot.
Alright. And here's the bushing, or the new misalignment bushing. They recommend grease inside here and grease inside here.
A ball joint going up into it, but it doesn't have it.
It goes down.
Yep, just like that. Yeah, it's gonna push hard. If tightening that up will help push that down.
I'm sure it will.
Is that? I'm gonna have a little bit more.
Oh, that snapped down real nice.
Yeah. A lot of movement up and down. The Synergy one wasn't that bad, really. The Synergy tie rod. But if you can make it better, try it.
Here you go.
Three-quarter? Yeah, I have it in my box.
Yeah, well.
Or you can grab yours. Hey, supervisor. Is that scary? And my ribs to 100 foot-pounds.
You gotta pound that down first. Put it back on, turn the wheels the other way.
Oh.
What?
Whoa.
What are we?
We're all right.
And that would be why you double check.
Yeah. Now I might have to. Yes, yeah. Oh, my hip.
Listen to what I mean, not what I say.
This has a little clippy on it. No, I don't. Matt didn't put it on. I was wondering where I came up with an extra clip. How about they just gave it to me?
Or I forgot.
Nice and greased and lubed. That's all right. That can have grease on it. Yeah.
More. Keep going.
Holy crap. Really? Farther?
Further. Okay. Right there.
Wow, my steering wheel's way off.
Well, you're turned.
Yeah, it seems like it's off a lot, but shouldn't have changed much.
Well, that's about where it was at when we took it apart.
Just gotta tighten that down a little bit.
Now, do you have to replace these each time you replace your rod ends? Probably makes sense, so that way you get new bushings each time.
Probably. I am debating whether I need to loosen this a little bit and cock it. Because that other side is solid in place. It's pretty snug right now. Yeah. These are cute.
Yeah, and you know what? When you throw them in water, they float. As Matt was teasing me about my cute tools, and we referenced tools that float. That's an old term for tools with low metal content in them that are really lightweight, and if you'd ever throw them in water, they'd actually float, meaning they were cheap. And here in a second, you're going to notice the deflection in this crescent wrench. So, yeah, it's cheap. It'd float. You're spreading the jaw on your 12-inch. You're tightening it.
No, I'm pretty sure I was loosening it.
Well, if you're bringing that one down, it's going clockwise. That's counterclockwise.
It has to go that way. This does.
Are we doing it right, Rube? We doing it right?
The instructions said man up,
Well,
torque it.
do we need to call our wives?
Yeah. Alright, fine.
Ruby, go inside.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're spreading the jaws on it. That's what you're doing.
Wow.
Pipe wrench.
They flex pretty good.
Pipe wrench is being the top lid.
I hate pipe wrenches.
I hate crescent wrenches. Very top. Man up and use the right tool.
Yeah, look at that.
Aw, it scratched it. I mean, it's never seen anything that'll scratch it when it's driving around the mall.
Yeah. Did you have a new one for me?
Yep, it's on the workbench.
Oh.
Wasn't sure why you're wanting such wore out parts.
Yeah, we have to fix it later.
Okay, makes sense. And that's why we can't have anything nice.
Yeah. Apparently, I think I got a hammer on everything.
Try to give you something nice. And
You gotta be kidding me.
no,
I don't want to back it off a little bit. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, yes.
God, I should have mounted that years ago.
I know, that's a good spot too.